Hi friends, today we are going to learn to write the letter K and the sight word like. So you need this page from your Monday packet. Your Monday packet looks like this. It has a big M on the front, Monday 11/2. So here we go. First things first, we put our name at the top of our paper. No floating letters. They should be all on that line right there. So now we're going to learn to write our K. K is a skyline letter. That means that it starts at the skyline, and that's where your pencil for your very first mark. You'll notice with K that it has a tall line up and down, and then it has these two little lines that make up the little kick part of the K. On the one you're going to trace, the second leg starts in the middle of the first little leg here. That is a style choice that you can choose to keep, or I'll show you another way to write it when we start doing our own. For tracing, just trace it exactly as is, and then I'll show you another way when we get to the middle column. So go ahead and get your paper out, put your name on it, and you're going to trace with me. Remember, you can always pause the video if it's going too fast. Let's start. Point to the skyline, pull down to the grass line, jump up to the plane line, pull in, pick up, pull down. So you're going to pick up your pencil a couple times here. Let's do it again. Ready? Start or point to the skyline, pull down to the grass line, jump up to the plane line. You're jumping up and out. Pull in, pull down. Point to the skyline, pull down to the grass line, jump up to the plane line, pull in, about halfway down, pull down. Good. Last one to trace. Start at the skyline, pull down to the grass line, jump up, pick up that pencil, go to the plane line, pull in, pull down. Now let me show you another way you can write your Ks. So this is how I write my Ks. So I trace it this way, but I write it differently, and that's okay. It's still a skyline letter. Start at the skyline, pull down to the grass line. I still jump up and out to the plane line, pull in, and then I just pull out. So I don't come to the middle here. I just go right from my stopping point. Let's do it together. Ready? Point to the skyline, pull down to the grass line, jump out to the plane line, pull in about halfway, pull down. Start at the skyline, pull down to the grass line, jump out to the plane line, pull in, pull down. So if you don't come to the plane line, you're going to make a capital K, and this is a lowercase k. Reminder too that the hand that's not writing is holding your paper flat. So I start at the skyline, pull down to the grass line, jump out to the plane line, pull in, pull out. Last column, here we go. Start at, I'm going to skip the paper over a little bit. Start at the skyline, pull down to the grass line, jump out to the plane line, pull in, push out. Start at the skyline, pull down to the grass line, jump to the plane line, pull in, push out. Start at the skyline, pull down to the grass line, jump to the plane line, pull in, push out. One more. Start at the skyline, pull down to the grass line, jump to the plane line, pull in, push out. Go ahead and circle your best K, and then you're going to turn your paper over and get ready to write our sight word. So our sight word today is the word like, like. And there's a K in here for extra practice today. So we're going to start by tracing our sight word. I want you to spell the word as you write it. That helps lock in the spelling into your brain. So let's trace them together. Remember, you can always stop or pause the video if it's going too fast. Here we go. L, I, just a little dot, K, E. For these, remember, you're going to trace it like it's written here, but you don't have to keep doing that kind of K when you're writing on your own. That's a style choice you can make. L, I, K, E. Like. L, I, K, E. Like. L, I, K, E. Like. Now it's time to write it on my own. I want to try and make it look as much like this as possible. So I know how to write I. We've learned that one. I know how to write K. We just learned that one. L is just a straight line down, and we've practiced E several times. It's been in so many of our sight words. So it should be pretty close to looking like this. Spell it as I write it. L, I, K, E. Check your Ks. Are they lowercase or capital? A capital K would look way like this, like big and tall. We're not doing capital Ks. The kicky parts of your K, the little like legs, should fit between the plain line and the grass line. L, I, nice and small dot, K, E. Like. L, I, little dot, K, E. Last one in this column. L, I, K, E. All right, last column, make it your best column. L, nice and slow, I, K, E. L, I, K, E. Couple more. L, I, K, E. Last one. L, I, K, E. Circle your best like, and you are all done. Nice job.